This is the way to fucking do it, man.
You figured it out?
Get a self-bail up with the shit.
Nice.
Yeah, we should put that other big ass light in here, like at the front.
I think so.
Just to make it one wider, more stable.
Right. Just can't reach anymore, huh? Oh, okay. Oh,
Was better or worse?
Yeah, I have really good brightness.
I got one more. Would you rather do that until the other panel?
I kind of feel like everything we could do to help will be helpful.
Wow. Fuck, do we have another angle?
For the other one? Hold on. Oh, you mean
power
that?
strip.
Power strip, gotcha. This might be the only one we got. Oh, look.
We had like 30s and doing birds. That was what we all had.
Don't let the dogs knock that stuff over.
Okay. That, no. No.
Kaden, which one of these expensive cords is longer?
Right.
Which one of these expensive cords is longer? Which one's got more? I mean, which one's got more in the bus? Are they about equal?
The yellow one has a lot more, so let's put it in like right here.
Okay, tell me which one that is.
Yellow?
This one?
Yeah.
Got this too.
Right there?
Huh? What? What? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, what's my name?
turn. I think you probably turn off the overhead lights. I don't think they make a damn bit difference. Turn it off real quick.
Alright, give me a second.
Yeah, I don't think that makes a difference.
You're gonna kill those.
I did.
The fucking trick of this thing
Yeah.
is to be down, you know, I was like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
See how it's bent?
Yeah.
So keep as much of that flat as you can, like, you know what I mean? Keep the whole gun touching.
Right.
Like if you're out like that, it'll fuck the shit out of a lot. See like that? If you see how that one?
Yeah.
Right?
You were out too much.
I was like too far like that, so it dug in, right? But if you keep it nice and flat like it's made,
Yeah.
look, I mean, it doesn't even fucking scratch it.
Go ahead, Brandon.
This is a screw.
Yeah. Should have brought the trash can back here.
It weighs like 600 pounds right now.
Yeah. Is all that white stuff mold or paint?
Yes. Boom. You gotta say that was a lot less painful than doing. I like your war cry. Because you don't want to pull the trigger when it's not pressed up against stuff.
Yeah, because little fighty, angry, pushy thing go wee.
Right, okay. So see how it's bent,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So you want to keep the bent side against El Wolo, right?
yeah.
Now, that's the angle you want, right? Which
Yeah.
is pretty much the gun will pretty much be like touched against the wall, right?
Yeah.
But you can be too far, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you would be somewhere between there and like just off the wall,
Yeah.
so that that blade is right against it, right?
Yeah.
But you don't want to be out like that.
Yeah.
You want to be like
I
right.
just want that flat.
Yep. So you just put it up against it, right? So you're real close, and you just put all your weight, right?
Yeah.
So you're against the chisel. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You just blow up the trigger. Got my finger on it. Got me?
What?
Yeah, right. The grip. So when you use the gloves, right? Because you can hold it up here, something, right? But sometimes it'll pinch your gloves.
Yeah.
And I wasn't holding it like that.